Brandy here. Charlie's behind the camera. So today we are gonna be making homemade potato and broccoli soup, creamy chowder soup, whatever you want to call it. For this recipe,
go ahead.
It's all pretty much easy. You're gonna use butter, carrots, celery, onion, minced garlic, chicken broth, a whole thing of chicken broth, potatoes. Oh, where's the potatoes? Right here. Potatoes, broccoli.
You already said broccoli.
Oh, did I say broccoli? Salt and pepper, flour, heavy cream, milk, cheddar cheese, and cooked bacon chopped up. So I got everything already cut up and ready to go. So, and I got some bacon grease from this morning from when we cooked the bacon and everything. I'm going to put some in the pot to get that going and get it heated up so we can saute vegetables. So,
oh, bacon and butter.
yes.
Good
Bacon
heart
and
attack
butter.
food.
Celery and onion is going to go first. So as soon as your bacon grease and everything pretty much melts down, that's when you add the, first off we're going to do the onions and carrots. We're going to saute them first. Yummy, 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 yummy. This is gonna be good. I have been wanting this for a couple weeks now, since I came across this recipe. And I think I made Charlie want it too.
I do now, since the weather's crappy.
So what I did is I just put about a tablespoon and a half of the bacon grease and 1.5 tablespoons of butter in here. So it's all pretty much melted. So I'm going to go ahead and add the carrots to it. I chopped everything up pre-video. As you can see, the carrots are pretty small chopped. So go ahead and add the onion to it. With the onion, I used a medium yellow sweet Vidalia onion.
Hey, say hi. Say hi. Hey, say hi. Say hi. Hi, say cheese.
So we're going to saute these for probably about 4 minutes, it says. What, Autumn?
A chip, I get it. Here, hold up.
Okay. So yes, we're going to saute these for about 4 minutes. And then we'll add some more ingredients. And I don't know about you, but when I'm in the kitchen, I make a mess. Big time. I have stuff everywhere whenever I cook. But I do always try and keep a sink full of water with soap. Try to use stuff in.
Not celery.
Not yet. That goes in next. Now we'll put the celery in. Go ahead and drop your celery in there. Give it a good stir around. Incorporate all of the flavoring. So just let that cook for another 3 minutes, and then we'll add the garlic to it and cook that for 30 seconds. You don't want to add the garlic yet because it will burn. We'll be right back. So we've been sauteing now for about 4 minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the garlic to it. The garlic is 2 cloves of garlic minced. Okay? So you're only going to do this for about 30 seconds. And then we're going to add the broth. Okay, let me grab the broth really quick right here. And what you're going to add is 32 ounces of chicken broth. That along with that bacon grease. This is going to be some good tasting chowder. Or as we like to call it here, soup.
Tater soup.
So, we are now going to add the potatoes and your salt and pepper. Where's my salt and pepper? Okay, mix it all together. You're gonna bring this to a boil and let it cook till the potatoes are almost done, not quite done. So, while that's cooking, we'll be back. So, we still have 5.5 minutes left on boiling the potatoes, so we're going to go ahead and add the broccoli so that that can start cooking as well. And the amount of broccoli is 3 cups. So we're going to cook that until the broccoli is tender. But while that is cooking, that is when you're going to start your roux. So we're going to bring that back up to a boil. Come over here, you're going to put 4 tablespoons in a saucepan. And we are going to, let's see if this burner is going to work for me. Yep, I tried. There it goes, yep. Okay, so you're going to want to melt down your butter. And you have 6 tablespoons of white flour. Just regular all-purpose flour is all you need. Just melt it down. Seems like it wants to work one day and then it overworks one day and then it don't want to work one day. I think it's almost time for a new stove. Go ahead and get that melted really good. And I used the unsalted butter is what I used. Whisk that in. And you want to keep whisking it so it doesn't burn. Oops, didn't mean for all of that to pour out at one time. Once it's all pretty well like this, mixed together, is when you're going to pour in the milk. You're not going to use the heavy cream yet. And this is 3 cups of milk. And you just want to do a little bit at a time, because you want to get all of the lumps out. And you don't want to cook your flour till it's brown, because you want a white creamy roux. And as you can see, as it's cooking, it thickens up as well. There we go. You can see we have no lumps in it. So you're just gonna cook this until it thickens up, but you wanna constantly stir it as well, or whisk it as well. Then once it thickens up, that's when we're going to add our heavy cream to it. So I'm starting to plate up the soup. So I have some Colby and Monterey cheese that I'm going to put on the top as well to each bowl. Put some on the top. Okay. And now I've got some of the bacon that I cooked this morning and that I chopped up. Put some of that on top. There we go. Cheese getting away from me. So, now, let's taste it. Here's your spoon. Here's my spoon. Let's see how I did.
Trying to get a little everything. I know it's hot, so I'm not going to burn myself. They good? You sure? I'll be the judge of that. It's yummy.
Look at that broccoli, y'all. Look at that.
Broccoli.
Sorry. Probably hot.
Hope y'all ain't hungry. Got me a piece of broccoli too.
So, on a cool day, This is a perfect recipe.
What you got?
And it's easy to make. It doesn't take long. The longest time taken is the preparation, cutting everything up. So, with that being said, Autumn, say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
I love you.
Say give it some thumbs up.
Get thumbs up.
Good job.
Come on. Good job. Good job.
So from our home to your home, our kitchen to your kitchen, make sure you like, share, subscribe, give us some thumbs up, leave us a comments down below. And stay safe, be blessed,
You want to eat? Huh?
and happy holidays to everyone. Thank you.
We love
Bye.
you. Bye.